Did you find water? Okay, I didn't find water, but I found this castle not too far away from here. We should go check it out. It has a lot of vegetation, so there must be water there. Well, if you say there's water there, then I believe you, little bluebird. But we gotta get going because I'm getting tired and thirsty. So let's get going, cause I don't wanna dilly-dally. So let's get going. No shit, you said that. Damn, what the hell? It's Beautiful the Wizard? Beautiful the Wizard. Now, what do you want with my spacious yet luxurious castle? Okay, here's the situation. We've been stuck in the desert for days without food or water. We really need a drink. Anything you can give us would be helpful as fuck. So anything you can give us, please. We're really thirsty. Can you please help us? Please, Beautiful the Wizard. You're our only hope. Well, I don't have any drink on me right now, but I do have a spell. 1 second. I have a spell that can quench the driest throat, but hopefully it doesn't turn you into a goat. Great, now I'm a goat with a bottle of water on its head. Turn me back, will you please? He may be beautiful, little bluebird, but he's not really a good wizard, you know what I mean? Well, if you guys don't like my wizardry, then I'm just gonna haul ass, so see you later. Okay, goodbye. Hey look, little bluebird, there's another castle just off in the distance there. We should go check it out. Come on, let's go. It is I, Gorgeous the Wizard. Really, Gorgeous the Wizard? And I already know what you two want. I will give you some water if you rescue my daughter. She has been trapped by bandits east of here. She is very, very young and scared and alone. Please help my daughter. Yeah, wait, well, I'm gonna stop you there. But I thought you were heroes. That seems like way too much work, and that's not even a spell. Well, shit. So, yeah, not doing it. Let's go. I think I see another castle, Ponce. Let's just go to that castle. Yep, let's just go to that castle. Hey little bluebird, does that look like a dead body to you? You know what? It definitely does, Ponce. I wonder. Now, did you have anything to do with this guy with a mustache? You know what? I did, but I did it out of necessity. I was just so darn thirsty. He had so much water and he wasn't gonna give it to me. So I did what I had to do and I shot the motherfucker. I didn't want to, but you do what you gotta do to survive, right? His name was Sexy the Wizard or something like that. But anyways, he had this wand and I got all this magical powers now. Do you happen to have any more of that water? No, I drank it all. Oh, I'm glutton. Well, can you at least teleport us back home? That I can do, for sure, yahoo! Wherever they roam, send these travelers back home. Wow, so that's how you got here? You know, just because you're not a robot doesn't mean that wizards aren't gay. So you into gay wizards now, Birdie? Nah, I'm just teasing you. Sounds like you had a good adventure.